Hi guys, remember this sign? Illustrators? Good job! I'm glad you're ready to write. Remember, every time we start, I'm going to say illustrators and you need to say yes so that I know you're ready to write. Okay, today in Writer's Workshop, we're going to talk about what we do in Writer's Workshop. Now, the first thing that I have is a puzzle piece and it says mini lesson. The first thing that I will always do during Writer's Workshop is give you a little mini lesson. And that's the part where I'm teaching you guys how to do something. So today, for our mini lesson, we're going to look back at this book again. Remember what was special about this book? It didn't have any words in it. It just had illustrations. And that's why we're going to look at it again to give it a story. Even though it doesn't have words, we can still make up our own story. This story is called Pancakes for Breakfast by Tomie dePaola. Look at all these pancakes. All right. Remember, Tomie dePaola isn't the author. He's the illustrator, just like you guys. Pancakes for breakfast. Look at that. That's a lot of pancakes. I don't think I could eat all those. Oh, one day there was a house in wintertime and the sun was just starting to rise. Did you see any words? No, I just made up the story myself. You could make up a different one. There was a lady that wanted to get up and make some breakfast. Her animals were hungry. She was hungry. When she was brushing her teeth and washing her face, she thought, what would be good? Pancakes. See, she's thinking about pancakes. Yum. So she said, well, I've got to make pancakes, so I need to get my apron on. I need to get my cookbook out. She needs her cookbook because here is the recipe. So she read through the recipe to see what she needed. Well, she has to get her tools out so that she could make the pancakes. She needs flour, so she put the flour in. And then it says eggs. Uh-oh, look at her face. She doesn't have any eggs. She needs eggs. So look, she went out to the hen house and collected eggs. And look at the little dogs looking in there. There's still no words, but I'm making up the story. Okay. Well, she has the eggs now. Now she needs, this one says milk. Uh-oh, she doesn't have any milk for her pancakes. So she got her bucket and she's headed out to the barn. I can see she's going to probably go milk the cows. Yep, there she is. She's milking the cow to get her own milk. And then she's going to head back to the house and pour the milk in. Oh, look at the kitty. He's licking his lips. He's excited. And so now she's able to, oh my goodness, what's she doing with the milk? She's putting it in this thing. I think this is a churn, and she's churning it where they go up and down and they mix it. Oh my goodness, look at the clock. This is taking forever, she says. So then she keeps going, and now she has butter. So she's got butter from the milk. So she has eggs, flour, and butter. And now she has a bottle that says maple syrup. She needs syrup. Who doesn't love syrup on their pancakes? So she gets dressed, heads out in the snow to her neighbor, and he sells syrup. So she goes and gets it from him. And now here she is walking back, thinking of all the steps to make pancakes. That is a lot of work, but pancakes are delicious. She gets home, and oh my goodness, what a mess. Look what happened. The dog got in the flour and broke the eggs, and the cat got in the milk. I don't think she's going to have pancakes now. Nope, look. Her pancakes in her thoughts flew away. They're gone. But what's this? She sees some steam. She smells something yummy. It's at her neighbor's house. What is she going to get over there? They're making their own pancakes, and she decides to sit down and eat their pancakes. Do you think they want her to eat their pancakes? I don't know. And now she's full and everybody's taking a nap. So while there wasn't a story, we were able to make up our own story. And that's what I want you guys to do. You're going to get your journal out. Remember our journals from yesterday? Looks like this. Turn to the next page. There's yesterday's. Now, if you notice, one is upside down. You can flip it over and fold it and work on that page. So let's see. I want to tell a story about my family. So in order to do that, I have to draw my family. So I've got Mr. Arms, Mrs. Arms. I'm going to have Max. I always draw their heads first. That way I count, make sure I have everybody. Alex and Maddox. So there's my family. And then I have to put some clothes on them. And Max will have a blue shirt on like his dad. They can wear the same clothes because they're the same size. I'm going to wear a purple shirt. And Maddox is going to wear a purple dress. And Alex likes the color red, so she gets a red shirt. And then I have to draw some eyes. Let's see, I have green, and everybody else has blue. So we'll do that really quick. And we also need to draw hair. Now we have lots of different colors, and I want to make sure I use as many of them as I can. Because like I said the other day, it's just boring with only one color. So I want you to make sure that when you're drawing your illustrations, you are using lots of color. Those are great little details to add to your pictures. And we need arms, don't we? Okay. All right, so my family likes to go on walks where we live. So this is going to be a picture of us going on a walk. In fact, I could use this right here as my road. I could just color it in black. Look at that. That could be my road. And maybe, oh, the white's not going to show up too much. It just turns the crayon gray. But wait a minute. I can't walk if I don't have any feet. I forgot my feet. I better put some shorts on. Let's see. They'll have the same color shorts. And me and Alex will have different color shorts. I don't like to make everybody the same. We are a little different, and then we need legs to walk on the road. Okay. All right, so this is about us walking on the road. Now I want you to go ahead and finish your story and be ready to show it to your parents and tell them the story that goes along with it. Okay, use all the colors you can, and I'll see you tomorrow.